Okay, so you've worked for 40 years to earn your freedom and total independence. You've planned, you've saved, and you've looked forward to those days when your time is finally your own, right? So why does travel in retirement feel less like a reward and more like a punishment? Here's the dirty secret of modern air travel. The one airlines really don't want you thinking about. The system is broken. It's causing seniors to give up on the dream of a relaxing vacation because of the endless lines at the airport, the constant stress, and that feeling of having lost all control. And what if the most relaxing trip of your life was just a drive away? Stick around until the end of this video because we're about to show you how thousands of seniors are finding true relaxation without ever setting foot in an airport again. Let's be real. The so-called golden age of travel is a distant memory. Today, the second you book a flight, you're stepping into a system that seems designed to wear you down. First, there's the financial assault. Ticket prices jump around by the minute, and you're hit with a dizzying maze of add-on fees for everything from a decent seat to a carry-on bag. It leaves you with that constant nagging feeling that you're being taken advantage of and taken for a ride. You worked hard for your money. You shouldn't have to fight to keep it, right? And the hit to your wallet is nothing compared to the physical and mental toll it takes on you as you travel. You start with the physical gauntlet, the terminal mile, and that long march from the airport curb to the departure gate, dragging your luggage the whole way. Then you get to squeeze yourself into a seat that seems to shrink every single year, just hoping that you don't get a blood clot. It's a full-blown endurance test before your vacation even begins. And then comes the mental game. It's that low-level anxiety that starts simmering days before you fly. Will your flight be delayed? Or worse, will it be canceled? Is there a new travel rule you didn't know about? And it is also the stressful dance of the security line, unpacking, practically undressing, and repacking, all with a sense of being rushed. It's the fear of a last-minute gate change or getting sick in a crowded metal tube. Sure, programs like TSA PreCheck might help a bit, but they're just small band-aids on a system that's fundamentally designed to steal your peace of mind. The real problem is a total loss of control. Your time, your comfort, your peace is all in the hands of an industry that does not seem to care about you. You've earned a retirement filled with dignity and joy, not one spent being treated like a piece of cargo. You deserve better, don't you think? And a growing number of seniors are discovering that a better way is waiting just around the corner. And you're about to discover it today. So what's the antidote or solution to this travel nightmare? I'm glad you asked. Imagine a different kind of trip. One that starts with a leisurely cup of coffee, not a 3 a.m. alarm, a trip where the journey itself is part of the fun. This is the promise of the Drivable Wellness Retreat, and it's the perfect answer to the chaos of modern air travel. This is more than just avoiding an airport. It's about rethinking the whole point of travel. We've been trained to focus only on the destination, putting up with whatever it takes to get there. The Wellness Retreat flips that idea on its head. It's about making the entire experience an act of restoration from the moment you back out of your driveway to the moment you pull back in. Here's why it's a better way to travel. First, the journey is the reward. Instead of recycled air in an airplane and constant announcements at the airport, picture a scenic drive through the countryside. Imagine having the freedom to stop at a charming antique shop, pull over to take in a beautiful view, or grab a bite at the local diner you just discovered. You're on your own time. That's what real freedom feels like. Second, you have absolute control. You can pack whatever you want without worrying about weight limits or crazy baggage fees. Bring your favorite pillow, your walking sticks, and your own healthy snacks. You travel in the comfort of your own vehicle, listening to your favorite music or podcast. You're in charge of your own environment, which immediately lowers your stress level. And most importantly, these places are designed for restoration and rejuvenation. Unlike a standard hotel, a wellness retreat is built to improve your physical and mental well-being. They're centered around things like healthy food, mindful movement, yoga, spa treatment, and making real social connections with like-minded people. It's all part of a booming global wellness industry, as more people are demanding travel that actually heals instead of harms. So, where are these peaceful getaways? They're closer than you think. Now let's look at a few types of retreats that are likely just a drive away from home. No boarding pass required. First, there's the luxury spa getaway. The gold standard here is a place like Canyon Ranch in Tucson, Arizona. This isn't just a spa, it's a world-famous wellness resort. They focus on healthy aging with custom fitness classes, nutrition counseling, and access to on-site health professionals. You can even get state-of-the-art medical assessments during your stay. This is for someone who wants to mix serious luxury with a science-backed investment in their long-term health. I hope you're getting value from this so far. I'm not done yet. I am going to unleash all of this to give you another idea of how you can travel stress-free. Okay, so next up is the active wellness experience. Think of a place like the Ranch Malibu in California. It's nestled in the Santa Monica Mountains, and this is for the active seniors who love a structured program. Days are built around challenging hikes, plant-based meals, yoga, and strength training, all tailored to your fitness level. It's like a boot camp for your body and for your soul as well, that leaves you feeling strong and renewed. Or maybe you're looking for the comprehensive wellness hub. That's what I call it. And that's in the hills outside Austin, Texas. You're going to find a spa called Miraval Resort and Spa. It offers a mind-boggling menu of options that blend fitness, relaxation, and personal growth. You can do anything from Tai Chi and mindful eating classes to getting a luxurious spa treatment or even trying their famous equine therapy. Their philosophy is life in balance, letting you create a stay that's as active or as restful as you want it to be. For the serene nature escape, consider a destination like the Optimum Health Institute, which is also called OHI. It's also near Austin, Texas, and it's set on a 14 quiet wooded acres in a peaceful environment made for reflection, with beautiful gardens, quiet walking paths, and focus on community. It's a perfect spot to unplug from the noise and reconnect with yourself in nature. And finally, there's the all-inclusive wellness option, like the Safety Harbor Resort and Spa in Florida. This historic resort is built around natural mineral springs, and it offers all-inclusive wellness packages that cover your room, your healthy meals, and programs focused on stress relief and anti-aging. With a massive 50,000 square foot spa and fitness center, it's a place where you can just show up and know that everything is taken care of. You have nothing else to do but enjoy. If this is the kind of travel that you've been dreaming of, the kind that leaves you feeling better than when you left your home, take a moment to subscribe for more tips on reclaiming your retirement. We believe your best years are ahead of you. And let us know in the comment section, what's your biggest travel frustration? I'd love to hear. I read every single comment. All right, so you're inspired. Now, how do you actually make all of this happen? A little planning does go a long way. So what's a day at one of these places really like? I'm glad you asked. It's usually a gentle mix of structure and freedom. You might start your morning with a gentle yoga class designed for flexibility and balance, led by instructors who know how to work with all kinds of mobility levels. After a healthy breakfast, you didn't have to cook. You could join a guided nature walk or a workshop on mindfulness meditation. The afternoons are often for you maybe a spa treatment, maybe a swim in the pool, or just reading a book in a beautiful garden. It's a schedule designed for restoration, not a race. I hope you are getting value from this video so far. And if you are, then you would really love my new ebook titled Seniors Stress-Free Travel Below 35,000 Feet, where I will delve into more ways that you can travel without being on an airplane. You can grab that ebook from the link in the description. You're going to be surprised at some of the ideas I came up with. Make sure you grab it today, right now in the description. Now, let's talk about the budget. The cost of wellness retreats can vary, but there are smart ways to handle it. Many resorts offer big discounts for visiting during the shoulder seasons, those weeks just before or after peak travel times. Booking far in advance can also lock in better rates. Some places like the OHI in Austin, Texas that we discussed before, they offer discounts for returning guests. And it's worth noting that some major hotel brands with wellness properties, such as the Hyatt, have senior citizen discounts as well. And always ask if they have a discount for AARP members. You might be pleasantly surprised. Finally, a few simple precautions. Before you book, it's a good idea to chat with your doctor to make sure the activities are a good fit for you. When you pack your bag, bring all your medications in their original containers plus a written list of your prescriptions. Once you arrive at the destination, let the staff know about any dietary needs that you may have or even mobility issues. The great thing about these retreats is that they are designed to accommodate you. That is what they're all about. Their job is your well-being, so don't be shy about communicating your needs. Please don't. When you think about it, though, you have two choices. You can stick with the travel that you've been told to want, the chaotic airports, the cramped planes, and constant stress, the kind of trip that leaves you needing a vacation from your vacation. You know what I mean? Or you can take a new path, a new approach, a path where you're in the driver's seat, literally, where the journey is part of the joy. The destination is truly restorative, and you come home feeling so renewed, stronger, and more at peace. This is the secret that seniors everywhere are discovering. They are swapping the headaches of air travel for the deep, lasting benefits of a wellness road trip. Don't sleep on this way of traveling. It may just be the solution to your air travel woes. And don't forget to grab the ebook I mentioned before, Seniors Stress-Free Travel Below 35,000 Feet. And if you want more tips like this one, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any other videos coming up soon. Remember now, your time is too valuable to waste on air travel stress. Your well-being is too important to put in anybody else's hands, except yours. You've earned your freedom. Now is the time to enjoy it. Thank you so much for staying until the end, and I hope that you learned something new from this video. And I'll see you in the... Okay.